We receive the earth as a garden. It will be very unfair if we pass on the earth as a wilderness. When the creation was entrusted into our hands, it was done with two verbs, till and keep. The till may collectively refer to everything that we do to the earth to make it, serve our needs. But then there's a keep part. When you care for something, it's something that you hold at heart. It's something that you do with a certain amount of passion. It's something that we do with great interest, and it's something that that you cherish. So caring for creation is the way we exercise our responsibility towards this other entity with which was created with us and on which our lives depend. The first thing to recognize is that the issue of the environment, climate change, confronts us with a very interesting, challenging situation. That everybody everywhere contributes to whatever is happening around the world everywhere. And this sense of responsibility is the basic first expression of charity towards one another and a sense of responsibility towards one another. They need to develop a sense of fraternity, concern for each other, concern for all.